This is a latest update on Pi Studio app. So it's an update for every pioneer. You need to be aware of what is going on, and that also helps you to believe in the project. So Pi is not sleeping. The prices, the value might be so low now, like in so many other cryptocurrencies, but like I always said, when the price is low as it is now, for a project like this is the best time to keep mining, keep investing. In fact, keep buying more, because tomorrow you won't regret doing that. So a very short one, and the thing here says Pi App Studio updates. I'm going to read briefly on the major thing. App code download, upload feature, US and management improvements. So let me quickly read briefly on the main points of this update so that you understand it. Let's go. So just listen as I explain this. The major part of this video, it says Pi App Studio now features a new capability that lets creators both download their app's code and upload custom code alongside a series of updates that improve the overall creator and user experience. The App Studio remains a product focused on facilitating non-technical people to create, deploy, and run online apps. Even if you've never got apps before, this is one thing Pi is doing. The question somebody might ask, why is Pi doing this? What has crypto to do with all of this? This is Pi creating utility for each token. That's what it is. So why you see all of this is coming up is creating utility, and this is what in the long run gives value to tokens. That's it. However, such new functionality offers an option and flexibility for modifying apps on the code level. This update also makes the App Studio more useful for technical developers who can use Pi App Studio to rapidly prototype apps and then continue developing on top of those prototypes. Since the App Studio makes Pi integration and app deployment simple, developers can now save time and focus on building their actual products. So, look at the area of downloading and uploading code. This new code download-upload capability marks a step forward for Pi App Studio in bridging creator and developer experiences. Creators can download the source code of the apps they created through Pi App Studio, make edits locally, and then re-upload the customized version directly back into the App Studio. Creators can then continue to make further revisions again using the App Studio. This opens up deeper creative control, whether it is refining functionality, personalizing the user interface, or anything. So if you go through this, this is an update. Once you click on read more, you're going to go through this. This update is for pioneers. And even if you're not a pioneer yet, I've always encouraged join Pi ecosystem. Don't sleep. Don't look away. Don't say it doesn't concern me. Join Pi ecosystem. Look at what Bitcoin has become today. Join Pi ecosystem. If you want to join, let me show you the link to sign up and be part of our team. One of the good things about Pi, if you're in a team, mining becomes easier for you, especially a team of active persons. And the system allows team to work in a way whereby even if I'm the one that brought you into the system, if I'm very active, you earn from my activeness. So it's not all about your downline, it's even those up there for you. So join my team, let's grow together. And once you join, make sure you go through these write-ups on your own and understand every single thing that this update is saying. Pi doesn't release just updates. Every update is a part of the progress of this system. So I'm going to stop here. If you get this video, share in other group where you belong, so that every pioneer out there will know what is actually going on in the Pi ecosystem. Like this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel and let's run together. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.